Alright YouTubers, this is the GoPro 7 Black, and it's hot here in Escanaba. Finally, it's mid-80s, so I'm going to another campground. Recording with the Black in the center, and I got my other GoPro, mine, that I'm gonna do after, see a picture comparison kind of thing. So yeah, beautiful day. The cats are ready for some heat, or for some air. They got enough heat, they're ready for air. Hope you'll end up enjoying this. I'm not gonna film too long, and I'll add arriving and all that good stuff. So now I got Kiki on the cooler. We're not going too awful far, Kiki, and I can't help you get up there right now. But the air's blowing cold. It's hot. Any of you that got pets, you know it doesn't take long in a van with just fans going for things to heat up. So it's gonna be good to get some good AC blowing for you. So yeah, didn't need it for a while. That's all I got. Sunny, beautiful day, Keekers. Oh, we had a little moment there. Kiki tried to jump up my chair and didn't make it, and she was stuck behind my back, and I was trying to hold her with my elbow so she wouldn't fall. Got her back on the cooler. I got too many cars around me. I can't stop and get her up there. There's a little wind coming off the lake. You see those flags on the left, they're flapping. There's some wind going on. So I had the GoPro 7 Silver on, and it started when I told it to, but the Black, when you talk to it, it automatically turns on and starts. So I got them both going now. Yeah, there's some wind going on. So I had the GoPro 7 Silver on, and it started when I told it to, but the Black, when you talk to it, it automatically turns on and starts. So I got them both going now. So as the motorcycles go by, first will be the 7 and Silver, and then it'll be the Black. I just wanted to say I filmed some really cool stuff with the GoPro 7 Black. This is it. And I haven't been able to upload those videos. It's given me all kinds of trouble, but it seems to be working now that I got the settings right. Beautiful day, other than that gusty wind. I might not need his air as much as I thought. Air conditioning in the van, because on the lake it's going to be windy. And it'll be arriving at Fuller Park Campground. Fuller Park Campground that I showed you before. I'm going to camp at Fuller Park. There's a reason that I'll explain later. One good reason is it's a nice park. So I'll give you a tour. I don't need to give. Alright, the bad thing about the Black is it's voice activated to turn on. And I was just talking to myself and it just turned on, so there's that. Takes some getting used to. And I told you I'm going to try to get a lapel mic, and GoPro makes you buy the adapter, so that's 50 bucks. I was hoping to be able to do it on the cheap, but they also engineered it so the Chinese companies can't make knockoffs, so you got to buy it from GoPro. Everything I read up on it, and you can't find any knockoff adapters, so there's that. I think this beats any hotel you're gonna find. Lake Michigan. Yeah, this is a really nice campground and a really nice location, so you got to get yourself in the water. Very, very cold water. That's about as far as I went. Not a bad spot. After the bird incident, the air conditioner is working fine, blowing cool air. That's a good thing. And as always, when I look at campgrounds, I share the bathrooms because a lot of people use them. Some use their RV. People like me use the bathroom, so it matters. For some reason, I always got to check water pressure. Not great. Let's see if it gets warm. Yeah, it's warm. It's called hot even. All right, that's great. And the obligatory dump station pictures that it has dump station stuff and water. Very nice campground. Here's the other section along the Bark River. Alright, so got my TV set up. I had it set up around Gladstone, and now I'm at Fuller Park, and I was getting like 4 channels before, and now I'm getting weak or no signal. So you come here with one of those cheap little antennas like that, you know, I just got it stuck in a window. You're not going to get any TV here. But you're not here to watch TV, people. That's why you bring a DVD player, so the cats can watch stuff. Keep the noise down for them. Makes for a pretty darn room with a view. That's the bedroom views. And I shared prices before. They have gone up. There's the prices. They also have a laundry, small, 1 washer, 1 dryer, but pretty good rates on it if you need to do laundry. Hey YouTubers, gonna cook up some Updog vegan hot dogs real quick. I'll just show you when they're done. It's a quick thing. That's what they look like. I was gonna cook on the grill, but it's really windy right along the lake, which is such an inconvenience, you know, being right on the lake. But cook these up. They kind of have a barbecue smell to them. They smell okay. We'll see how they chew. All right, gonna call these done and dress them up. Let you know what they are like. All right, I'm gonna take a bite of these. Up dog. Those are okay. They're not bad. Hold on a second. Okay, so I think it's a little bland. It has a nice crunch when you bite it, but the inside is soft. It's a little mushy, not terribly, but a little mushy. Not really like a hot dog, but I think I can help it. Hold on. All right, so that, for people in the know, that's sriracha. And sriracha helps everything. But there's more to eat. That is buffalo cauliflower. And it's damn good. And it's really good. Alright, that's my lunch. Have a great and wonderful day. I wouldn't call these health food. Tons of salt and just okay in my opinion. I don't think I'd order again, but I'll look at this scenery again because it's beautiful. Across from Fuller Park there's a nice artesian well. The only problem with it, the water isn't good. It's kind of skunky. Dang it. Cousin Eddie. That's what I'm talking about. The hood's looking good still. That is Lake Michigan. Hey YouTubers, here's a good trick if you're at a campground and you buy firewood. You put it underneath your picnic table like that. They cut these a little short, but it works. And if it does rain, most of your firewood will stay dry. There you go. Here's a camping hack. So that was arriving, looking around, and enjoying a sunset. Have a great and wonderful day.